Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to share your location on the Skype application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the chats icon down below, which is the first option, and select the name of that person from your contacts to whom you would like to send your location to. So click on its name, tap on the plus icon down below in the left side corner, scroll down till you find this location option and click on it, and then click on allow once or allow while using app options. And then you should tap on this send button in the middle of the screen, thereby sending your location on this map. So if your recipient or addressee clicks on it, he or she will going to see your location on this whole map. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.